Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Vyapti Curious Minds. Have you ever wondered how your heart keeps beating every second, even while you are sleeping? Who tells it when to beat? Does your brain control every heartbeat? Or does your heart have a secret power of its own? Right now, you are watching this video, your heart is quietly pumping blood to every cell in your body. It never takes a holiday. It never asks for a break. And it has been working continuously since before you were born. But how does it do that? By the end of this video, you will understand the incredible electrical system that powers every heartbeat and why your heart is one of nature's greatest engineering masterpiece. Let us begin. Your heart never takes a break. Your heart is a muscular organ about the size of your closed fist, located slightly to the left of the center of your chest. Although it is not very large, it performs one of the hardest jobs in your body. Every minute it pumps blood filled with oxygen and nutrients to every organ, muscle, and cells. On average, it beats about 70 times every minute while resting, around 100,000 times every day, pumps nearly 7,500 liters of blood daily. During an average lifetime, it beats over 2.5 billion times. Imagine lifting a heavy weight every second for your entire life without ever becoming tired. That's essentially what your heart does. So, what tells it when to beat? Meet the heart's natural pacemaker. Most muscles in your body move only when your brain sends a signal. But the heart is different. Inside the upper right chamber, called the right atrium, is a tiny cluster of specialized cells known as the sinoatrial node or SA node. This is the heart's natural pacemaker. These remarkable cells automatically generate electrical impulses. They do not need your permission. They do not wait for instructions from the brain. They simply produce rhythmic electrical signals every second. Think of the SA node as the conductor of an orchestra. Just as a conductor tells every musician when to play, the SA node tells every heart muscle cell exactly when to contract. How electricity creates every heartbeat. Every heartbeat begins with a tiny electrical spark inside the SA node. This electrical signal spreads across both upper chambers, the atria. As the atria receive the signal, they contract and push blood into the ventricles below. The signal then reaches another important structure called the atrioventricular node or AV node. The AV node acts like a traffic controller. Instead of letting the signal rush straight through, it pauses for about 1/10 of a second. This tiny delay gives the ventricles enough time to fill completely with blood. After the delay, the electrical impulse races through a pathway called the bundle of His. From there, it travels down the right and left bundle branches and finally reaches the Purkinje fibers which spread throughout the ventricles. Now the ventricles contract with the tremendous force. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs to collect oxygen. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. Within Less than 1 second, one complete heartbeat is finished. Immediately, the process starts again. This cycle repeats every second of your life. Why does the heart beat in perfect rhythm? Any answer from your side? Let us know. You may wonder why your heartbeat usually stays regular. That's because each heartbeat follows exactly the same electrical pathway. The SA node always starts the signal. The AV node delays it. The bundle of His carries it. The Purkinje fibers distribute it. This precise consequence keeps the heart chambers working together like a perfectly synchronized team. If all the chambers squeezed at the same time, blood would not move efficiently. The timing is everything. What creates the Lub-Dub sound? When a doctor places a stethoscope on your chest, they hear Lub-Dub. Many people think these sounds come from the heart muscles. Actually, they are produced by the heart valves closing. Your heart has 4 valves that act like one-way doors. When blood moves forward, the valves open. When blood tries to flow backward, they immediately close. The first sound, lub, is produced when the valves between the atria and ventricles close. The second sound, dub, is produced when the valves leading to the lungs and the rest of the body close. These valves ensure blood always moves in the correct direction. Why does your heart beat faster? Have you ever climbed stairs and felt your heartbeat become stronger? That's because your muscles suddenly need more oxygen. Your brain senses this increased demand. It sends signal through the autonomic nervous system. At the same time, your adrenal glands release a hormone called adrenaline. Adrenaline tells the SA node to generate electrical signals more quickly. As a result, your heart beats faster and pumps more blood. When you are relaxed or sleeping, the opposite happens. The nervous system slows the SA node, reducing your heart rate to save energy. Your heart constantly adjusts to meet your body's needs. Can your heart beat outside the body? Here is an astonishing scientific fact. If a heart is supplied with enough oxygen and nutrients in a laboratory, it can continue beating for some time even after being removed from the body. Why? Because the SA node generates electrical impulses on its own. How can you keep your heart healthy? Your heart works for you every second. You can help it by exercising regularly, eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy proteins, drinking enough water, sleeping for 7 to 9 hours every night, managing stress through relaxation or meditation, avoiding smoking and limiting unhealthy foods, getting regular health checkups if you have risk factor. Small healthy habits today protect your heart for years to come. Every heartbeat begins with a tiny electrical signal created by a SA node. That signal follows an incredibly organized pathway through the AV node, bundle of His, bundle branches, and Purkinje fibers, causing the heart chambers to contract in perfect order. Your valves produce the familiar Lub-Dub sounds while ensuring blood flows in only one direction. Your brain and hormones adjust the heart speed whenever your body needs more oxygen. Together, these systems allow your heart to beat continuously for your entire lifetime. The next time you place your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat, remember that millions of specialized cells are working together in perfect harmony every second, every minute, every day. Your heart truly is one of nature's greatest engineering marvels. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Save Earth, save life, and I will see you in the next science adventure.
Size of your fist.